Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is an unboxing. We're unboxing this fan. It's nearly summer, it's starting to get warm. And we're unboxing a fan. Sort of a tech video unboxing. I don't know. This is its name, fan. Literally, fan. But yeah. Let's start today's unboxing. Also, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. And now that I've said that, we can start. So, little thing back here. Just pull that. Okay. There's a plastic thing around it. Let me take it out. Okay, that's the fan. We'll get to that in a minute. But first, fan. What is this? I think it's just some thingy thing. I'm not reading that. Yeah, it comes with a little leaflet thingy, maybe with some instructions or just saying stuff about the fan. But now let's go on with the fan. Yeah, let's open it. Okay, so it's got a nice little handle. That's pretty cool. Here's the fan. So I think how you turn it on, you open. Oh wow, it's got an actual stand. You can put it up. Oh wow. Oh, very well. Oh wow, I like that. I thought like it would just like that, but it actually goes whoop, boop. Perfect. Nice little fan. Now, there's the power button. There's this button. We'll get to the special button in a minute. And we'll just, do the normal fan. That's 1, 2, 3. That's powerful, just to show you. It blows it away quite easily. Very powerful. That is a powerful fan. You know what? For a mini fan, this isn't bad. You can see my hair. And then turn it off. This is number 1. 2, 3. And now let's check out the special button. What does this do? I know what it does, but I want you guys to guess what it does. This button right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's got lights. So if you don't want it light on, you don't have to have it on. But if you want a bit of light, you can have a bit of light. If you want it really bright, boom. This is the best fan. Yeah, no, I rate this fan a 10 out of 10. Good fan. I definitely think, you should go check this fan out. It's on Amazon if you like nice, not too big, not too small. But yeah, that's the end for today's video. This is the company name. If you want to have a look, it's on Amazon. And yeah, let me know what you think of it if comments are turned on, because YouTube are very annoying. Sometimes they have comments on, sometimes they have them off. But if they're on, let me know what you think of it. Bye.